innocent two policemen died yesterday. They were targeting me, Oshomole said. Former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Adams Oshomole, has confirmed the incident that reportedly happened yesterday to be true, giving account that two innocent policemen from the Edo State Police Command assigned to him died when his convoy involved in a car accident. Torixos reported on their website that the APC members were involved in a car accident on 1st September at Oluka Junction. 2 people were confirmed dead, while severe people were injured and are currently receiving treatment. Oshomole, speaking to the media after the accident, said that 2 innocent police officers were killed immediately after the car accident happened, and the target of the accident was him in particular. The former governor of the state, on his note, made it clear that the accident involving his convoy on Tuesday, September 1st, was actually an assassination attempt on his life. It is painful that innocent policemen performing their legal duties lost their lives in this very unfortunate incident. Without prejudice to police investigations, eyewitnesses' accounts of the incident suggest, and we believe rightly too, that this was an assassination attempt targeting Comrade Adams Oshomole. He said, Torixos learned that the incident happened when the 67-year-old man was traveling for the All Progressive Congress (APC) governorship campaign in Usain Community, Edo. Eze Iyamu, APC governorship candidate, reportedly was absent in the convoy, converging Oshomole and other APC chieftains to the campaign ground to rally ahead of September 19 gubernatorial election in the state. Speaking further, he aired how lucky he was to survive without sustaining any injury, despite that the violence allegedly was targeted to him and those who worked with him in recent time. Though Oshomole escaped unhurt, the former APC national chairman, in a statement later on Tuesday evening by his media aide, Victor Oshioke, lamented that he was the target. He also implored security agencies to unravel the mystery behind the accident. Media aide to Adams Oshomole explained how it happened, saying the convoy was headed to Usain Community in Ovie South West local government area of Edo State when a trailer driving in the same direction veered off its course, hit the back up Toyota Hilux vehicle carrying 7 policemen, forcing it off the road into the bush and rammed into the spot until a vehicle carrying Comrade Oshomole, causing substantial damage. It is pertinent to state, without fear of contradiction, that the convoy of Comrade Adams Oshomole was maintaining legal speed limits when this incident occurred. This explained why the trailer traveling in the same direction, overran the hillock stroke off the road and still hit the SUV carrying Comrade Oshomole, causing substantial damages. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, the confession of Adams Oshomole can be very much true. You see, I said it before that the election coming up on September 19, which happened to be the governorship election, is becoming tough and tough and tough and tough by the day. It's becoming tough by the day. And something really needs to be done before lives are taken. Because with the way the attack the way the attacks are being taken care of, or the way aspirants and party members are being attacked when the election has not really come, it gives a clear vision of how the election day is going to speak. So it is ideal that Edo experience a total peace before that very day. Because if they don't experience a total peace, I wonder the kind of peace that will come up on the day of the election. Not long enough, Eze Iyamu was attacked. And after his attack, he spoke up, placing the blame on APC, that APC are behind his attack. And now, it is now Adams Oshomole. Believe you me when I say that it may be that it is not really an opposition party that is attacking themselves, but rather it might be an external body that have decided to take advantage of the situation, because it knows that it's going to be difficult for them to, you understand? So my viewers, what do you think is your own opinion concerning this issue? What's your observation? Please don't hesitate to leave a comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.